Okay, got a package today. Let's see what we have. Okay. This is my high wattage alternator. Okay, the factory alternator I got on my car is the original. It never been changed out. And it works fine. But the problem with the alternator I have now is it's 110 amps. And with all the extra lighting and stuff, I got a stereo, I got a 600 watt stereo system in it, driving lights, fog lights, and I'm going to be adding a high performance ignition system when I supercharge it, so I need a better alternator. This one is 200 amps, more than enough for my needs, and it's a straight bolt on. It's completely bolt on, no modifications. Bolts right to the stock brackets, and it has plug-ins that plug in right to the harness, and there's no other mods you need to do. I forgot I had this coming in. That's what happens when you order a lot of stuff at once. This is going to be done. I want to install this before the end of the year. Friday I'm going to be installing getting the high volume Mustang GT fuel pump and new fuel filter installed. And after that, hopefully, I can get this put on with my new power steering pump and power steering lines before the end of the year. So that's it for today's unboxing. Until next time.